many families, the joy of home ownership is sometimes spoiled when they find out that their home sweet home has water that is less than desirable. For the record, that happens to be a pretty high percentage of the homes in the United States. However, no matter what the problems might be, point of entry water treatment is simply the best solution. In some states, the water is extremely hard, and homeowners need a water softener to protect their investment and to save money. In other areas, the water may have high levels of chlorine, chloramine, and other chemicals that are undesirable and even dangerous to their families, which also need to be removed from the water supply. Or the water may have strange taste or odors that simply need to be addressed. Some families may even have all of these problems. So the point of use water treatment industry comes to the rescue and supplies the treatment that the family deserves and vitally needs. Except for the simple and horrible fact that sometimes a homeowner can't have a system installed simply because the home builder did not have this home plumbed so that a system could be installed. The home builder saved maybe a couple $100 by not properly plumbing the home. In fact, I have seen homes where there was no way to shut off the water except at the meter pit. No place to install a water treatment system that could treat all the water in the home. You just simply could not locate that line. Any home builder that does that to a homeowner is ignorant of the problems they cause or simply don't care. I live in Indianapolis, Indiana, where everyone needs a water softener due to the high hardness levels. If you don't have a water softener, you're already paying for it with increased soap usage, extra energy spent in heating water, and plumbing and appliance repair. I've literally seen hundreds of homes where it was impossible to install a water softener because the home builder did not care enough about the home buyers to do that. That needs to stop. It needs to stop right now. The fact is, some home builders use a soft water or filter bypass as a profit center. The plumber charges the builder a couple $100 for the bypass, and the homeowner turns around and adds $1,200 to $1,500 to that price. Many first-time homeowners can't afford that and don't purchase the option, only to find out later that they can't install a water treatment system in their home sweet home. Well, they could have one installed, but it involves jackhammering up the concrete, tearing up walls, and ripping up carpet, simply because a greedy home builder wanted to put a few extra $100 in their pocket. I know of one particular home builder in Indianapolis, Indiana, who did that for years. They did hundreds, maybe even thousands of homes, and people were horrified to find out that they had to live with that horrible water. The story had a predictable ending in that the home builder in question was out of business. There should always be an accessible place to shut off the water for the whole house, and that is where a water treatment bypass should be installed. Water to the outside hydrants should be on untreated side, but the kitchen cold side absolutely should be on the treated water as well. For about 50 plus years, many plumbers and home builders have been plumbing the kitchen cold water on a line that bypasses the filtration or the softener. How silly is that? This is the 21st century. Get on with the program. If you're building or even purchasing a home, make sure your plumbing is to this standard. It will save tons of money and a huge headache in the future.